What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Now is October 13th, 9 a.m. again. We returned the hotel and moving to our next city and the next state. Actually, today we set up, our goal is pretty tough. We have to drive 9 hours and 30 minutes at least. Now I'm almost step out from the Arizona, but we will cross New Mexico and we also will cross Texas. And there's 2 main cities we have to cross. One called Albuquerque. Is that Albuquerque?
Yeah, Albuquerque.
One is in the biggest city in New Mexico called Albuquerque, and another one is Amarillo. What? Amarillo. Another one is Amarillo from Texas. We have to cross these 2 cities. I already booked a hotel in Airbnb, so I have to drive at least 600 miles today, because yesterday I only drive like 300 miles. So today I have to set a tough challenge to myself. My wife agreed with that, so let's see, guys. Gas price dropped from $4 to $2 in New Mexico and Arizona. Only California is expensive, $4 per gallon. Here is a casino right there. Casino right there, but we won't go. Yeah, we're at Texas. We just stepping the Texas. It's pretty hot and look at that. And gas price is not that bad. Hey guys, after 9.5 hour drives, we just got Oklahoma. We're pretty tired now. It's local time at 8 p.m. So I need to quickly make a video for you guys and take a shower and sleep, ready for tomorrow, last day trip. And that's about it, guys. There's nothing special. We just try to accomplish like 600 miles today, so we didn't even stop at restaurant. We just eat what we carried from yesterday. That's about it, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.